In this lecture, we will see the next option for this cavity mill. So first of all, I'm going to define my blank and MCS. So MCS is at the center, so no need to change. And double click over here, and my part is this, and blank I'm using as a bounding block. So this is the block. Okay. Now I'm going to define a tool. So create tool, and I'm using a mill tool 30 the radius 2. Okay, and lower radius S2, and enter the tool number. Okay, now I'm going to select toolpath this cavity mill, and program and tool is my 30 mm handle workpiece, and I'm doing this roughing operation. Click OK. See, here we have one small pocket inside this part. So I'm going to use this pattern as follow part, step over as 40, and depth of cut 6 for this training purpose, and geometry I'm not going to select this geometry, so hole will select automatically, and this trim boundary we will select. First I'm going to create a tool path, later we will see this. And see here, trim behavior is default. Okay, and rest options are the same, just generate it. Change the shading mode, and see the toolpath is generating in between this pocket also. Okay, now I'm going to add trim boundary, so select from here, and my trim boundary is curve, so select this boundary, and okay, and generate it again. Now this area is now skipped. Okay, and see the non-cutting move how they are creating here, and want to see, just click and replay. Okay, I'm going to change the trim behavior. Under this strategy we have this trim behavior, it is default, and now I'm going to use this NCM trim and generate it again. See, now it is changed, it is also skipped, but the behavior is different. So I'm going to show you in 3D dynamic. Okay, see it, this inner portion is skipped, but the area is not cut properly. Okay, and if I'm going to change this behavior to follow boundary, so it will follow the boundary of this trim area. Okay, so that time this inner area will come a little bit smoother in proper manner. See this. Okay, so in this way we can use this trim behavior of this cavity mill, and in planar milling we have already discussed. So thank you for watching.